Attorney General Douglas Moylan is firing back after a judge issued a preliminary injunction halting his Dignity Project, an initiative aimed at housing and supporting Guam's homeless and drug-addicted population using opioid settlement funds. The Superior Court sided with the governor, citing procurement violations and lack of proper authorization. Moylan says the ruling is a political move that puts vulnerable lives at risk. He argues the project was lawfully approved by the Opioid Recovery Advisory Council, or ORAC, a body created by the Guam legislature to manage opioid settlement funds.
The fact that we actually had to go into court and that she dragged me into court without even suing the Opioid Recovery Council that approved this in 2024 kind of reveals exactly the frame of mind of our governor.
Moylan adds that if the governor simply doesn't agree with his office's method of solving Guam's addiction crisis, then what are her solutions?
This may not be the way that you want it to go, but what idea do you have, Governor Leon Guerrero? How are you going to fix things? They're coming up with nothing.
He goes further, accusing the governor of blocking the project for personal reasons.
But it seems to say that when the ORAC Council said to help these people, that the governor can say, I don't want to help them because I don't like the Attorney General, or I don't like what he stands for, or he won't give me my hospital. Therefore, I'm going to check him and not approve something that the council asked him to effectuate.
When asked about the court's concerns over his office's transparency and their procurement violations causing, quote, irreparable harm to the office of the governor, as stated by the court's order, Moylan didn't hold back.
Give me a break. The authority or the reputation of our governor is not her reputation, Lourdes Leon Guerrero. It is every person that voted us into office.
He also reaffirms his assertion that the contract was legally sound under Guam's laws and that for the past decade, the legislature has said the governor's signature is not needed on procurement contracts. If it were, then other government contracts and payments made on them that have not been signed by the governor should also be ruled as illegal. With the governor now calling for legislative oversight of the OAG, Moylan says he welcomes it. Nevaeh Anderson, KUAM News.